So today I'm going to be making a king prawn salad using the Mahi Peri Peri lemon coriander sauce. It's a very simple and quick recipe. It won't take longer than 20 minutes to make. I have some king prawns, salad, fresh coriander, lime, a red onion, some garlic, and a bit of chili for some hotness. I'm going to start with the prawns and adding 4 teaspoons of this marinade along with 1/4 of a lime, and just mix it all together. And I'll just cover the prawns with some cling film and pop it in the fridge to marinate. So I'm going to start with the salad next. I have a bag of salad leaves here. I chopped an avocado earlier, which I'm going to add in with the salad leaves. And then I'm going to go ahead and start with the salad dressing. I have half a chopped red onion here, and then add in 1 garlic, 1/4 of a large chili, a small handful of fresh coriander, and the rest of the lime from earlier. Then I'm going to just add 2 more spoonfuls of the Peri Peri lime and coriander sauce and mix it all together. So I'm going to start assembling the salad here now. Pop some of that on the plate, along with a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. So I'm going to fry the prawns now. I'll just add a tiny teaspoonful of coconut oil in the pan, and then we're going to add the prawns in. Cook each of them for about a minute on each side. I'm just going to add 2 more spoonfuls of the marinade. That lovely sweet coconut smell just fills the entire kitchen. I think these are done now. Made by Mahi with love.